Hey guys, it's Ms. McLean. This is just a short video to show you how to add images and submit your Fakebook assignment so that I can actually see it. So all you need to do is go to the assignment page, click on Fakebook assignment, and it should pull up something that looks just like this. Click on File, make a copy, and name it as your own name, and it will automatically save into Google Docs, and this will allow you to actually edit and insert information into this. So all you have to do is go, once you've got it open, you should have all the space here for you to insert pictures into. And you have to insert a picture for your god here, as well as friends of your god. So this should be characters from Greek mythology, not you or your friends or musicians or celebrities or anything like that, but characters from Greek mythology. So one of the easiest ways to insert pictures into Google Docs is to go to Insert, Image, and click on By URL. So then all you have to do is open a Google image search. I chose the goddess Artemis. Click on a picture that you like the look of. Right click and click on Open Image in New Tab. So once it's open in a new tab, you can copy and paste the URL up here. So make sure you don't copy and paste this URL as nothing will come up. You actually have to open the image in new tab and copy that URL. So go back to this and click on Paste, select, and this will allow you to move the image around. So you have to make sure that it has this blue border with these little boxes on it before it'll let you move it. And this also lets you change the size of it so that it will better fit the spaces in your assignment. There's another way that you can do that where you can go to image and click search and then search directly into this. Though I have found that the choices are a lot more limited than they are if you just open a new tab and search by Google and copy and paste the URL. So once you have completed the assignment, in order to share it to me, you have to click this blue button, share. You cannot copy and paste this URL. If you do this, I won't actually be able to see anything that you have created, and it will make me ask for permission. So instead, click on share. See that it says can see and view. Copy the link, and then go to your assignment. Click on Submit Assignment, website URL, copy and paste it, and then you can submit it, and I'll actually be able to see your assignment. If you have any questions or if you're confused about how to do this, please email me, or you can come by and visit my room if you're at East Lincoln at 215. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your projects. Thanks, guys. Bye.